I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon, anywhere from the mid-40s to the upper 50s, a warm front moves north tonight, keeping our lows not as chilly as last night in the 30s. Highs tomorrow for Veterans Day, 15 degrees warmer than normal, in the mid-60s to around 70. A weak cold front levels off our highs for Wednesday and Thursday into the 60s. That front lifting back to the north as the warm front, and highs Friday are in the mid-60s to the low 70s. Low pressure tracks across the plains over the weekend due to uncertainties with the exact track. Precipitation chances and amounts are still uncertain. Right now, the Pacific storm system should be warm enough to support mostly rain. There could be a rain-snow mix in the western sandhills and panhandle. Increased clouds this weekend leads to cooler highs in the 50s to around 60 Saturday and to around 50 on Sunday. For now, there's no sustained cooling trend in the long-term forecast. Overall warmer than normal temperatures likely to continue this weekend through November 23rd for Nebraska and Kansas. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation likely to be above normal this weekend through November 23rd, especially this weekend through early next week. Key weather factors impacting the markets include a changing weather pattern, low levels on the Mississippi River, and one last week of good weather in South America. Most key ag areas of the plains and Midwest are dry and mild this week. A storm moving through the western U.S. late this week moves into the nation's midsection this weekend, probably in a couple of pieces. One portion of the storm moves through Canada, and another tracks across the south, both with scattered rain. Only slightly cooler than normal air builds into the middle of the U.S. this weekend through early next week. Another storm may track across the U.S. the mid to late part of next week with limited rain, signaling the beginning of a slightly more active pattern of precipitation. Any snow should be limited to northern areas of the plains and Midwest. Mississippi River water levels continue to be low, causing transportation restrictions. Despite more active weather starting this weekend, there may not be enough precipitation to raise water levels very much on the Mississippi this month, but it may be the start of a pattern that is more favorable over the winter. Central and northern Brazil continue to see beneficial rain this week before drier weather starts moving into southern Brazil late this week. Argentina expects rain tomorrow and Wednesday, but the pattern may start to get drier, with forecast models indicating less rainfall. Warmer weather, though, helps for a big turnaround for Argentina corn and soybeans, and the wheat crop has enjoyed enough good weather to produce a good crop. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.